Guys, today we talk about how can you find your tickets on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to find your tickets. All you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on my tickets, just click on it here. When you just click on it, in here you will find all tickets you have and tickets you get in this list. You will find it here. So like you see here, I have no upcoming events here or my tickets, so I have no tickets here. But if you have it, it's going to show for you here in this list on your StubHub. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I get it. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.